Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I know I did not keep my word and be consistent, but it's finna be July. I can't keep just yapping and not doing what I said I was gonna do. So this is gonna be like a Sunday reset. As you can see, I need to clean. It's not bad, but I just need to straighten up. I need to wash like my fruits and veggies, prepare my meals for the week, and yeah. So this is me trying to get my life together, especially because a new month starts tomorrow. I started doing laundry and I realized I didn't have enough like detergent pods to finish that load, so I'm gonna go to Target to get some stuff. Why do I always have these? Where is it? I'm gonna go to Target to get that, and then I think that's all I really need, you know? Somebody is just so freaking nosy. Y'all, I had to make a pit stop. Pick up my new Stanley. Isn't she so cute?
Wait, hold on. Are we going home soon? Because if we are...
Told me. Me and Sam made a pit stop to come to this new food hall called Alley 51. It's inside a super G-Mart or whatever. So it's supposed to be like international food. But I promise I'm gonna go home and actually clean up like I said once I eat. Plus it's already been like thundering and stuff. Like I want to beat the rain. It is 5:18. It's supposed to rain at 7. We ate here. Oh, taste it. Y'all, my donuts are good, but the boba is nasty. Not worth it, unfortunately. Wait. Okay. Let's try. This is bussin'.
What you rate it?
Okay guys, so these clothes are already dry. Washing another load. I still got like 2 more loads. This is gonna end up being a 2-part reset series because I'm ready to go to bed. Gotta put these in my vase. I'm about to wash these plums and these strawberries. Some other stuff I got from the farmer's market. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a lot. I'll let those fruits sit or whatever. I'm gonna be I'll make this sleepy girl mocktail because I need to go to bed. Okay, I'm gonna use some of this cherry juice. I actually don't like cherry, so we're gonna put this poppy in to dilute it. Ooh. Okay. Put some of that. I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to use. It's actually not bad. I was scared it was gonna taste like straight up cherries. Okay, I gotta go ahead and drink this down so I can make sure I go pee and go to bed. I straightened up my vanity a little bit, but I didn't put everything away, or like I didn't get to disinfect it the way I wanted to. But Yeah, I need to clean off some of that makeup and stuff. I want to find a better way to organize, because I ain't gonna lie, my collection is a little hefty and stuff is getting full in my drawer. So let me tell y'all my plan real quick. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to be getting a new dresser. So I'm gonna move my bookshelf over there, that empty wall, and that way my perfume in the back corner, it'll be sitting on top of my dresser. And in that corner, I'm gonna put like my makeup brushes and just some other small things. But yeah, y'all, that is it for tonight. We will finish resetting tomorrow. Start the month off right, start the week off right.
Couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding.
Did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in.
If you ever wonder, okay, this one look a little wow, how I preserve my braid outs and stuff, satin scrunchies. They don't always look this crazy, but okay, so I'm about to shower, have my dinner. Mostly everything is kind of cleaned up. There's a few things I need to put away on my counter. Not too much. So I'm gonna shower, eat, take Bentley out, and that is it for my little reset. I feel accomplished, even though I didn't do things as quickly as I said I was. I still did my laundry, cleaned off my vanity finally, made my bed, stuff like that. And nowadays, you just gotta be thankful that you're even able to do little things like that. Okay, y'all, I'm back out the shower. Let me have my dinner real quick. I've never cooked anything like this before, so fingers crossed it's good. This is quinoa and then like this mango salsa type stuff and tilapia. I did make my tilapia a little spicier than I wanted, but here's what it is. But that is it for this, y'all. Y'all had a good start to the month of July. I am gonna be a day late posting this vlog, but I got it. I'm doing the best I can, y'all. If I keep chatting with y'all, I'm never gonna upload it, so I will see y'all in the next video.